Hi my dear students, welcome back to my channel. Today quadratic expressions లో హార్మోనిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ ఇస్తే హార్మోనిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ ఇచ్చారు. దెన్ హౌ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఇస్ గివెన్ రిజల్ట్. ఓకే, ఎట్లా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి షార్ట్ కట్లో చూద్దాం. ఓకే, జస్ట్ గివెన్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఇన్ హెచ్పి. ఫస్ట్ ఏదైనా ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ మనకి ఫంక్షన్ అనేది ఒక ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ అనేది ఈక్వేషన్ హార్మోనిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్లో ఉంటే ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి, సింపుల్గా ఫస్ట్ ఏపీలో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, అంటే రెసిప్రోకల్ ఆఫ్ హెచ్పి ఏమవుతుంది, ఏపీ, రైట్? యు నో దిస్, రైట్? ఎస్, జస్ట్ మనం అప్లై చేద్దాం ఫస్ట్. ఓకే, ఎస్, ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు x cube plus 3px square plus 3qx plus r equal to 0. Okay, given function I wrote of f of x. Okay, then first f of 1 by x la convert చేద్దాం. అంటే reciprocal of hp is ap కదా, right? Then here 1 by x cube plus 3p 1 by x square plus 3q 1 by x plus r equal to 0. Okay, now simply take LCM x cube, then 1 plus 3px, right, plus 3qx square plus rx cube equal to 0, isn't it? Okay, now x cube, you can write first x cube term, then rx cube. Okay, cubic equation, right? That's why x cube term, next x square term, next x term plus constant equal to 0. This is the first equation. Okay, these terms are in AP, right? These terms are in AP. Okay, then AP, cubic equation in AP, then how roots are? Yeah, roots will be what? A minus d comma a comma a plus d, right? Yes, now some of the roots, product of the roots 2 at a time and product of the roots. Yes, you know these formulas. Yes, just simply write down here s1, right? That is sum of the products a minus d plus a plus d. Okay, equal to, yes, sum of the roots equal to minus b by a is minus 3q by r, right? Minus 3q by r. Okay, here minus d plus d is cancelled, then 3a, right? Here minus 3q by r, then 3 cancelled, simply a equal to what? Minus q by r. Okay, next 2 terms means means a minus d into a plus this into this plus this into this. Okay, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to, yes, c by a, right? Like that formula. Okay, then I'm taking here second equation like that. Okay, now some of the roots completed. Next s2, right? That is a minus d into a. Okay, alpha beta plus this into this, right? Beta gamma is a into a. Okay, I read on next term plus a minus d into a square minus d square, right? Equal to minus combination here 3q by 1 is 3q, right? Here 3q. So here what 3p, I wrote something here, right? What is the equation here? This is the equation, sorry, this is the equation, right? Yeah, 3p by r, I thought this one, no, this is the equation. Okay, 3p by r, yeah, here 3p by r, 3p by r. Okay, now simplify them, these equations. A square, right, minus ad plus a square plus ad plus a square minus d square equal to 3p by r. Okay, here minus ad plus ad is cancelled, 3a square minus d square, there 3a square, right? 3 into a square term, see a square, here y square is what? Q square by r square. Now I am applying here q square by r square. Okay, minus d square equal to 3p by r. Okay, listen here, given equation PQR, right? That's why options also once check out here PQR only, right? That's why eliminate here D. See here unknown, here D there na. So you are eliminating this term, means minus 3p by r, send them this left side, then d square send them right hand side. Okay, then I'm taking r square LCM simply, then 3q square. Okay, then minus 3pr, right? Why? Because r square is LCM, right? Equal to d square r square, right? D square r square. Okay, yes, the d square we want, then r square send them down, that is here r square you can write, here cancel them. Okay, then taking this is 3. Okay, A is minus q by r, d square is this. Okay, now product of the roots. What is the formula product of the roots? Yes, alpha beta gamma means this into this into this, right? That is a minus a plus d is a square minus d square into a, right? Yeah, here listen, this is the first equation, right? Here alpha beta gamma product of the roots equal to what? Minus, yeah, minus d by r, right? Minus 1 by r. Got it? Okay, understood? S3 equal to minus d by a, right? There is a formula, apply them. Yes, now simply a and d, in this a and d places, here what is a? A you got minus q by r, right? D is, d square is this, no? Yes, these two values, apply them, given equation. Okay, yes, I wrote up for what is a. Yes, a square, a is q by r. Now I wrote up in that a place. Yeah, here one more a is there. Yeah, I did not write here, sorry. A equal to, because here alpha beta gamma, right, is a minus d into a plus d is a square minus d square. One more a is there now, that's why minus q by r. Okay, d is this one. Okay, now here minus minus both sides is there, I cancelled, and multiple terms, right? That's why r also I cancelled. Okay, now r square LCM I'm taking, then r square taking LCM, then q square minus 3q square, okay, minus of this terms, right? That's why minus minus plus, plus 3pr into q, overall q. Okay, then multiple them here with the q. Q square will be q cube, right? Here pqr, one more q also there, here equal to 1. Okay, then minus 3q cube is 2q cube, right? Then 3pr cube, okay, equal to r square. Here minus 2q, no, then minus is will be plus 2q cube. Okay, yes, first option answer is what? First option, 3pqr minus r square. See, 2q cube equal to minus r square. Suppose here r taking LCM, then 3pq minus r equal to 2q cube. This is the answer, right? See, okay. Suppose given harmonic progression, then you can do same procedure. Okay, any equation is given, okay, you can solve like this method. Okay, now another problem. Yes, next question, listen here. If alpha comma beta comma gamma are the roots of x cube plus px square plus qx plus r equal to 0, then alpha cube plus beta cube plus r cube equal to what? Okay, here a cube plus b cube plus c cube is formula is there. Yeah, yes, actually indirectly there, not directly. Okay, what is the process? Yeah, let's discuss. Okay, yeah, what is the question? F of x equal to given x cube plus px square, yes, plus qx plus r equal to 0. Okay, then yes, actually some of the roots, what is the formula? Alpha beta gamma are the roots, right? Sum of the roots means alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a is minus b, right? Then alpha beta plus product of two roots. Okay, gamma alpha equal to q by 1, right? Q. Okay, alpha beta gamma equal to minus r. Okay, isn't it? Now cubic you want, right? Then alpha plus beta plus gamma, you know, a plus b plus c whole cube formula. Okay, just discuss now. A cube, a plus b plus c means here alpha plus beta plus gamma whole cube equal to, yeah, listen, alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube plus 3 into alpha beta, beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Okay, into alpha plus beta plus gamma minus 3 alpha beta gamma. Okay, yeah, you can learn this formula. It's very important in this progression, like in this quadratic expressions. Okay, equations. Alpha plus beta plus gamma whole cube equal to what? Alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube plus 3 of some 2 to roots. Okay, product of 2 roots into sum of the roots minus 3 into product of the roots. Okay, yeah, now we want this, right? This is we want. Okay, you know this value, this is minus p. Yeah, this is, you know, this q, and this is minus p, and here minus r. Just apply them, you will get the value, right? Okay, now see, I am substituting minus p whole cube, right? Minus p whole cube, right? Okay, now we want this value, then write down as it is. Okay, plus 3 into product of two roots is q. Yeah, this is minus p, Yes, minus p. Okay, minus 3 into alpha beta gamma is minus r. That's why minus plus 3r. Okay, now we want this, right? Then minus term will be plus, right? Then 3pq, okay, minus 3r. Then I'm common to 3 pq minus r, okay, plus p minus p whole cube is what? Minus p cube only, right? Minus p cube equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube over. This is a solution. Understood? Here minus, right? That's why I'm sending this side. Right hand, left hand side, that is 3pq. 3 I common, right? 3pq minus r minus pq. What is the answer? This is the answer. Alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube. Okay? This is the most important problems in the quadratic expressions. Okay? Yes, this is shortcuts. Understood? Yeah. Next video we'll meet. Okay, bye. All the best.